Okay, this is how to beat Hospital Duty on Tony Hawk's Underground 2 in Boston. Screw it. I'm not gonna waste time. Okay. Simply just go over here. Take the little kid. Ooh. Yeah, baby. You know you're extremely slow. You just run through here. Careful there. I checked there a lot. Watch out for the cars. There's other ways to do it, but this is probably the easiest. Do that, do that, jump the car, and there we go. Okay, I'm shut up, kid. And then, just for the heck of it, I'll show you where Jesse James is in this level. Oof, crap. And this is on GameCube, so it might be different on. There's Jesse James. Yada yada yada, blah blah blah. And there's a lot of other things. Oh yeah, one that a lot of people really can't figure out where it is. This one. A lot of people can't find this one. There's the Ben Franklin guy. And then there he is right there. Cobra Franklin. Then there's Ben Franklin. Oh yeah. And then there you go. Booyah. And just for the heck of it, I'll show all of you how to blow up that whole building there. It's quite simple. Go to fire. Jump in fire. Set board on fire. Set cannons on fire. By grinding cannon. Once both cannons are on fire. It's hard sometimes. You set them on fire. And this happens. Ta-ta-da! Boom! And the controllers start rumbling. And there you go to get a whole new skate park. Ta-ta-da! And just for the heck of it, to show you all that I'm better than you. Actually, some of you are better than me. I shall now jump over all those stairs. First, I just need my guy. So let's go find him. No! I hate that. Now, since I left my memory card somewhere, I think it's in my Wii downstairs. So I'm using my GameCube, and I got no memory card thingy. Alright, so now I'm going to jump those stairs and then I'm going to end the video. Booyah. There we go. Yeah. Down the stairs. And then we just go up the stairs. And that is how to beat those goals in Boston on Thug 2 or Tony Hawk's Underground 2 if you want to call it. Night everybody, and subscribe to I Love Raisins. ILUVRAZINS. Okay, where's the off button on this thing? There it is.